So I would like to introduce our program, Hatdog. Hatdog stands for Highly Addictive, Typically Different Offline Game. We have four different small programs which our members were going to explain each module. So stay in.
Today I will tell you about our module 1. So this module is all about a sorting game whereas you are going to sort these given animals based on their height. What features in this small program is that it randomizes the given every time you open the program. And it also has error trap, which when you have two similar choices, it will respond as invalid.
For the codes, we have used list and tuple for the perfect sequence of the height of these animals. So whenever you assign these animals to their given order, it will append it to your answer list, which will be compared to the tuple that is the right sequence to judge your answer whether it is right or wrong. And after you're done with the program, it will automatically clear your answer list to avoid any errors.
In this module, we will have a temperament test check. Basically, you will be given a 6 question with a 4 choices each. There are only 4 possible endings in this quiz. It's either you are sanguine, choleric, melancholic, and phlegmatic. So how this works is that we use a lot of sets for our codes. And just like Venn diagram, you are being surrounded by these 4 ending traits.
So in every question you answers, your choices already determine of what kind of trait you have. And at the end of the questions, your answers will be compared into the 4 big traits, and whatever is the similarities between them will be counted using the intersection code to determine the similarities, and then to count the similarities. So what scores the most similarities you have will determine to what kind of trait you have.
Now, in this module, it is very simple. But this program can determine on how old are you. So this works on how you type your birth date in here with a given format, which is day, the month of your birthday, and the year. So when you type your birth date, you only need to separate them with dots, like 21.02.2002. And after you are done, press start and see the map.
Now for the code. We still use a list and string method, which is split, since when we import time from the system, it already has its own sequence, which is year, month, and day. We arrange the given answers to the proper sequence so it can be calculated by subtracting the date of birth to the present time, and the rest is all mathematical equations.
Now for the last module, we have a vocabulary game. It is actually a guess game where we will test your skills and how you know the antonyms of the words that are given. As you start the game, it will randomize the words that appears in every question, so it will not be repetitive every time you play the game. What's good in this program is that you can add your own items in the game. This works through the code of dictionary, whereas it has a key and an item. The items are the one you're going to guess of what is the opposite of the given key. So basically, the keys are the one you're going to see in the game, and you're going to guess what is the item which is the opposite of it. For the codes we use, the method where you can add a key and an item, indexing, string methods, and randomizer. And that's all.